Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do an action pose, and it could be just a pose or an action pose depending on how we can use this. So it's actually a person sitting down on one knee and using one hand to either react to something falling from the top or something happening at the top. And it's like that action where so it's the sort of action where a figure is like putting instinctively a hand up to either protect himself or. So let's draw so please use very light strokes here. Shoulder set is right here. Chest at that certain angle. So we're actually, the figure is not like going outward, it's going inward, it's curled. That's the bottom of the body there. Knee and thigh, shin, foot somewhere there, so there's some foreshortening there. And then of course this knee coming right up at us and real big, shin and foot. And then we have the head placed at that certain angle. Essentially, it really works if the head is looking upward. So let's do this with a pen. So nose, eyes, let's put in a shade here, just indicating that the person is like looking upward. Then we have this shoulder here, and we'll do things here, different things. Knee, shin, and foot. And of course we could show the inside of the thigh a little bit from that perspective. There's the ab structure right there. Let's say there's some slacks. And that is the base structure right there. And with the arms we have quite a few different options, but the most natural one in this pose is this. Let's say that we want to show the fingers stretched out there. So it's like something is falling down and the hand instinctively goes up. Now here we can do so many things with this other hand. It could be just going backward like that, or it could be right here, a little bit raised and going right here, and perhaps also contributing to that shock factor where it's instinctively responding to a threat from an overhead threat, something maybe perhaps falling down. That's one placement as well. This hand itself might very well be just a closed fist. And there's a few other things possible, but this is the most natural. If we are doing the head looking up, even this much, body plays like that, this is the most natural, but we could also place it differently. So let's say that we want to change the placement of the head a little bit, and we could go and do that. So hand right here, elbow right there, and then this hand placed right here. So maybe an action in which the figure is just getting ready to get up, or just striking a masterful battle pose while sitting down looking straight. So different options there, and please do try it out with that base structure. A lot of fun can be had with this. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.